My name's Adam, and I live in the Mid-Wilshire area. My project is about how Asian American immigrants integrate into American society.
I really like symmetrical parallel lines.
I'm going to explore my topic by utilizing collages because a collage gives me the opportunity to refine my photography skills while also creating a project that I'm really passionate about. I was feeling disconnected from my Korean roots because my family are immigrants, but I don't speak Korean at all. So I wanted to find out how they and other immigrants were able to integrate into American society.
Got some good shots?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
I felt it was necessary to go to Koreatown because it's kind of the birthplace of Korean American culture.
This was one of the old headquarters, Korean Youth Center, that was on Oxford Street.
I went to see Catherine, an expert on Korean heritage.
For a long time, all the signage was just in Korean, but as these businesses are more successful, it's really starting to integrate. Now it's like this booming neighborhood, and so the community is actually becoming less Korean. But then this is assimilation.
The crowd is definitely well mixed,
Alex is a restaurateur.
especially restaurant businesses. In that sense, I think the identity of Koreatown is changing.
Alex inspired me to embrace my American side because he's found a lot of success combining these two different cultures. So what he does with food, I want to do with my photography.
Understanding different people, I think that's a huge part of being able to integrate.
So my collage is a representation of the Koreatown community as a symbol of hope and prosperity for all immigrant communities. The collage is around 3 by 4 feet. The background of buildings represent the ability of Korean Americans to create their own businesses, and I placed most of the people in the center in order to emphasize how they overcame their struggles. During this journey, I felt that the Korean American story is definitely more complex than I originally thought, and it doesn't only apply to Asian American immigrants, but immigrants of all cultures. So I hope that you would embrace your own roots in order to see the connections between your cultures and others.